Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Shankar
And my name is Dennis CS.
and we are the students of Nanadeepa Senior Secondary School, Javali, Shumoga.
And the name of our project is Safe Food Service Program.
And the aim of the project is to create a new device that can avoid food wastage by giving excess food to NGOs. A drastic increase can be seen in food wastage as per data given by Food and Agriculture Organization. One-third of the food produced for human consumption is wasted globally, which accounts to 1.3 billion tons a year. On the other hand, according to WHO, 20% of the world population faces extreme food shortages. Hence, there is a need to come up with a new solution that can avoid food wastage and help feed the needy.
In this Android-based food waste management application, the NGOs can send a request to the restaurants with excess food. When the request is accepted, the NGOs can then go to the restaurant, collect the excess food and distribute it among the needy. In this situation, the restaurants, the NGOs and the needy people are benefited mutually.
In this system, we have tried to reduce restaurant food wastage by giving excess food to NGOs. NGOs will raise a request in case of any leftover food restaurants have. The request is sent to the restaurant manager of the particular restaurant. The NGO manager then approves the request and assigns it to one of the NGO employees for takeaway and forwards the request to the restaurant. The leftover food in the restaurant can be given to the NGO at the end of the day. The admin can track the history of the restaurants and NGOs for leftover food. Project life cycle. The waterfall model is a classical model used in system development life cycle to create a system with a linear and sequential approach. It is termed as waterfall because the model develops systematically from one phase to another in downwards fashion. The waterfall approach does not define the process to go back to the previous phase to handle changes in requirement. The waterfall approach is the earliest approach that was used in software development.
The waterfall approach has many steps. First one being requirements. In this step, we collect the requirements which is needed for our project. The second step, which is analysis, we analyze the information which we have collected in the previous step. Third step being design. In this step, we design our project and how it should look like. Fourth step being coding. In this step, we build the project from its roots. Fifth step being testing. In this step, we test our project to its limits. Next step being implementation. In this step, we implement the project into the community.
System description. The system comes of three major modules with the sub-modules as follows. First is the admin. The admin can register using his personal details. He can also log in using his personal account using ID and password. He can access the list of restaurants which are available. He can add or register new restaurants. He can also view all the NGOs. Restaurant. The user can register his restaurant using the personal details. He can log in using his personal account using ID and password. He can view or change his restaurant profile. He can also change the password of the restaurant. He can view the orders history which are accepted or pending. He can always add new foods to the restaurant.
The NGO user can do many steps. First and foremost being to register to our app. He can also log in using his account ID and password. He can also view restaurants, their requests and add new requests. He can also view his profile, manage it and change his password.
Advantages. The benefits will be for both the restaurants, which can reduce food wastage, and also for the needy who are desperate for food. It can also help keep track of wastage food for restaurants. The users can also play a vital role in saving food wastage and can also help feed the needy. Thank you.